Hey everybody, thanks for watching Jeazie TV. I am JuJu, and today we are actually expecting a very serious windstorm. So yeah, so I have to go get prepared for that. They're talking about 70 to 80 miles per hour winds. And yeah, they said don't rule out tornadoes, so we can possibly have tornadoes. They said the power might go out, the trees might get knocked down. So yeah, this actually just happened in July, but we were fortunate enough to be in Florida at the time, so we missed the whole storm. But our house did get affected. Like our power was out for a week. So we had to throw out all our food when we came back from Florida. And yeah, I'm out of breath. I just went up like 4 steps and I'm like, I'm out of breath. I should have took a minute before I started recording. But anyway, yeah, like our power was out. We had to throw out our food. Our trampoline flew way down the street to our neighbors. Our trash cans were gone. And yeah, we had some damage to our house because like we have tables on our patio and the wind blew them and it went through the little columns, you know, on our deck. So yeah, so that was all bad. So they're expecting that again today. And yeah, so we didn't have school today. There was no school today because, you know, everybody had to get prepared for this. So that's what I'm about to get prepared for now. I'm gonna go to the store and grab some waters. What else do I have to grab? I have to grab some batteries for our little lights just in case the power wants to go out. So I need to make sure my hand's all on the camera. I need to make sure that I have that. Look at Lyric's little cute face. He's smiling at y'all. You say hi. But yeah, I have to make sure I have some batteries for our little tap lights. And what else I have to get? I had to get some juice. There's no juice in here. I'm praying that our freaking power doesn't go out, and if it does, it doesn't stay out for long, because I just went grocery shopping. We have a freezer full of food and stuff, and I don't want it to go out. So we're gonna pray. I was thinking about going to a hotel, but Eric said that we can probably plug it out, so we'll just see. If our power do go out, maybe I might still try and go to one, but I'm sure they're probably going to be packed today because of that. But yep, I'm going to do that. Then I'm going to put up our trash cans and stuff because we ain't trying to lose our trash cans again. He keeps asking, when's the winds coming? When's the winds? Because it's beautiful outside. Like, take y'all so I can look outside. So guys, look at it now. It's a little windy now, but it's absolutely beautiful out here. Like, for mid-December, it's usually about 30 degrees, you know, if that, and it's 70 degrees out here. So that'll let you know it's about to get real. Okay? So yes, I just want to go take a walk. I think I need to take a walk before the storm comes. It feels so good. We're not used to this. We're used to having on fur coats and stuff right now. But yep, so I'm about to run to the store. I'm hoping there's not a lot of people in there, you know, panicking and stuff. But yep, that's what I'm about to do. So yep. Alright, you guys, I'm back from the stores. People weren't going crazy. Actually wasn't too bad. There was quite a few people buying like coolers and water and stuff, you know, just in case power goes out. The wind has actually picked up a little bit already. It's not supposed to really get bad for about another hour. About 2-3. Bless you. Another 2-3 hours. That's when it's supposed to really pick up. So right now I'm about to just put up the what? I had to put the trash cans and stuff up. I'm about to put up our trash cans and, you know, put everything in place so we won't have to deal with all our stuff flying away. Hopefully that hoop should be good. It got bricks on it, so it should be good. Hey, so here's the back deck. It looks a hot mess. We haven't been back here since we did them pumpkins, and it still looks like it. We got pumpkin carvers and everything around. You gotta put some pants on. Put some pants and shoes on. But these were the things that got broke during the last storm, but we got them put back in. They all flew out. The table flew over and went right into it. So I'm trying to figure out if I should stack all my chairs or what should I do. Huh? Any pinch, just grab some. But this is something that happened to this big old hole. I don't know how that happened, but that happened when we had the storm. So I'm trying to figure out what I'm going to do. I don't know if I should put these chairs upside down. I mean the tables upside down. Or what? I think if I put them on top of each other, it should make it heavy enough. So. Alright you guys, so wind is picking up a little bit. You see a little wind chime. I might have to take her down too, because last time she was on the ground and I was upset. Trying to figure out what to do with this trampoline. Because last time it was way down there somewhere. Our neighbors came like, I think we got your trampoline. Because the swing set is into the ground, so that should be cool. But this trampoline, I hope it ain't no snakes in here because it feels good, so they might be out. It looks a hot mess. I really need to just throw it away because look at it. I'm gonna let him enjoy. He's scared Wolfie gonna fly away. I told him the winds ain't that heavy yet, so she ain't gonna go nowhere. But I'm gonna let him enjoy this weather while he can. It's still looking pretty good. It's kind of dark over there a little bit, so we can tell that it'll be coming in soon. So I'm gonna take this chair back down and sit over here real quick while he do his thing. Alright, it's starting. Y'all see my hair? I'm about to go. That sun done went down. I'm about to be like the meteorologist in the middle of the storm. Like, yeah, that was a big one. That mug just came through, okay? Yeah, see the sun is down now. It's coming through. Alright y'all, so we done had our tornado sirens go off, and we have severe warnings that went off on everybody's phone, telling everybody they need to get in the house, basically. So it done got calmer right now, but they said probably in the next 30 minutes the storm will be here. There are some tornadoes on the outskirts of Omaha right now, so we're hoping that they don't. And this one is extra calling around, making sure her mama and enough stuff is okay. So yeah, they alright. Ain't nothing hit yet. So yeah, we just kind of sitting here until something happens, right? And praying our power off. We're praying. I don't want my food wasted. Yeah, it is really getting dark. It's only like 3 o'clock. You can't really tell on the camera that like that, but y'all seen how it looked earlier. It was nice and sunny, but now it's a little dark. So I'm gonna come back on when the stuff start getting real, so y'all can see how it look. Can y'all hear the sirens? I'm so happy right now. Y'all hear that? Isn't that scary though? Feel like the purge. Feel like the purge out here. Like, look at the skies over there. Like, sheesh, about to get real. Oh my god. What? I'm scared. So yeah, we out here acting like the white people out here waiting for the storm to come.
Yeah, you know.
Got our wine. Eric said everybody was at the store getting liquor and wine.
Mm-hmm. You know what time it is.
Like some survival kid.
Right.
Can get liquor.
I already felt the raindrop.
Yeah, it was had some rain. How can I say rain? Raindrops earlier. Well, you see the storm coming in, lightning and stuff over there.
December.
Right, December. We've never seen this in December. You can tell when they said it was 70 degrees. See, now people can understand why school was out. Everybody was so upset that school was out.
Right, it should about be bad.
People, the bus driving right now, dropping off those elementary kids. People like, they should have stayed in school. They should have stayed in school.
I remember that happened before when I was driving the bus. It got caught in the middle of the storm.
Oh, yeah, the tornado we had to go into the school. I remember that. Yep. See, they didn't want to have to deal with that this time. So it was a good call because it looks a hot mess out here. There you go, y'all. Look at that wind. Ooh. See, people would have been dropping kids off right now.
That's what have been moving.
Look, woo.
Oh, my mom.
Woo. I don't even think I can really see that good on the camera. Let me see.
Oh my God.
It's going. Woo. Look at that. Woo. Look how it's spinning. Look at a tornado. Woo.
Why is it spinning around our house?
So you didn't go out there. It's about 30 miles per hour. They said it's gonna hit about 90. It look a little more than 30.
She is trying to take Christ out of Christmas.
Next thing you know, they won't take prayer out of church. You see what happened when they took prayer out of schools?
Girl, you ain't so scary. Look at that. All right. Where the whole door fly off. Whole door. There goes the wind, y'all. It's super windy out here. The rain part ended, but the wind is still bad. Trees been knocked down. People got without power, but the storm part wasn't too bad, but the wind is still bad and it's real smoky. Yeah, see? You can't really see, you can really hear it more than anything. Y'all, so as y'all can see, the storm wasn't it wasn't as big of a storm as I thought it was. Like, I thought it was gonna be like in July, but which is good for us, because the rain part only lasted about 10 minutes, like literally 10 minutes. Some people it was bad for, because some people did have trees fall on their vehicles and stuff like that. So I wouldn't say it wasn't that bad. For some people it was. In our neighborhood, it wasn't. We didn't have any trees or anything fall down, so that was a good thing. But yeah, the rain only lasted for about 10 minutes, but the wind did last until 10 o'clock at night, and it was a really heavy wind. Like, I guess in Kansas City they had a wildfire, or not Kansas, or was it Kansas City? I don't know, but they had wildfires or whatever, and since the wind was blowing so hard, it was blowing all that smoke over here, and it smelled like it was on fire here, and it was real gloomy and hazy, and a lot of the, what do you call it, from the smoke, it's all in the cars. Like, all the cars are like gray and stuff. So yeah, that happened, but I'm glad it's over with. Now it's feeling cold again, like some regular December weather. But actually, it's still kind of nice for December. 40s and 50s is still nice for us. But like I said, it'd be like 30 and below. So this time I think it was last year. The year before that, it was like negative 20. But whatever. And my camera is like real foggy, but I didn't clean it before I went up. I put it up there, and I don't feel like recording it again, so it's just gonna be, this part is gonna be ashy. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until next time.